Rejoin. Rejoin the class. Okay. Who is going to do research? Today, you are enjoying the all the facility given by the parents, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. May I know some of the facilities?
Paying the college fees also, sir.
One. Yes. Then
From dress to laptop and every daily expenses.
dress, laptop, everyday expenses. Yes, true. Then
Food and shelter, sir.
food and shelter. It's a basic need they have to provide. Then today you are interacting with me, right? Through what? Either laptop or desktop or mobile phone. Some device, communicating device. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Internet, right? Internet
Yes,
also.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Internet.
See, these are all the outcome of research or not.
Yes, sir. They are the part. They are outcome of the
Yes, sir.
research, sir.
Research. Fine. Who is going to create the facility to the societal use? The person is called as researcher. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Fine. Then, will you want to become a researcher?
Yes, sir.
Obviously, right?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow you are going to trying to solve the problem which is given by your company, right? You are creating a solution for the problem given by your company where you are going to join. You are solving the problem of the company and in turn it solves the problem of the client. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
From that you are getting a salary or perks. Do you agree?
Yes, sir. I
Yes,
agree.
sir.
Basically, you should be a researcher, then engineer. Getting? Today, whatever is there exists in this world for the easiness of the society, for the comfort. You are creating a comfort to the society. As a researcher is going to create a comfortness to the society. Yes or no? In the case of this COVID-19 pandemic situation, still we are able to communicate or connect each other. This is the outcome of research. Yes, do you agree?
Yes, sir. I agree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Internet. How internet came into existence? Simply it comes when we connect the device, whether it is connected.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's a hard effort of the scientists, academicians, researchers, students, teachers, industries, governments. It's a hard effort, right? It is a community effort. Group of people involved in developing the internet, group of people bringing it forward to deploy in the real time. The people who start using, that is the user community, the people maintaining the infrastructure, that is telecommunication industry, right? Today whatever you see in this world, it is the outcome of research only. Yes, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you are wearing some of the clothes, wearing the goggles. You are going, you are maintaining your own styles, right? See, you are wearing some bangles, you are wearing some jewels. Again, it's the outcome of the research. Where you are sitting, either you are sitting on the bed or on the chair or the computer table, or maybe you lying down, all the products which you are using, it is the outcome of the research. Yes,
Yes, sir.
got my point? So, as a student, you already in the research. Yes,
Sir.
Yeah, sir. I'm
Yes,
already
sir.
in research.
right. But you require to align some of the methodology, scientific method you need to follow. By following this scientific method, you are going to get a remuneration of it. You are, if for your job, for your research, for your project, you are going to get returns of it. Then you will become professional. Your learning professional degree is nothing but at the outcome of that professional degree is in terms of success. Success depends on success and depends and determines your value, knowledge, skills, and the remuneration. Money also it will involve, right? But it's a least preference. But money, without money, no research. Can you name some of the research agencies working hardly to ease the life of the people? Can you name?
Sir, Virgin Loop.
Uh, Probably you heard about the Indian Institute of Science,
Yes, sir.
IISc, right? Bangalore, Madras, etc.
Yes, sir.
What they are exactly doing, whether they are providers of academicians or the providers of the researchers. They are both academicians as well as researchers, right? They are producing the solutions for the problem which it is given assigned by the sponsoring agencies, right? Sponsoring agency might be a government body or the private body. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
IITs. Probably you heard about IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee, IIT Kharagpur, right? What they are doing? Crores of salaries, crores of funds they will get every year of time. The people who is pursuing their degree, there also they are involved in the research, right? Today you are involving, you are a professional. Tomorrow you are going to solve somebody's problem. By solving that problem, you are going to get the money in terms of salary. Sure?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So I hope I made a sense of understanding of research. What's the need of research? So to whom research is needed? In every stage of human life, in every human, the human is able to analyze thinking capability. He has a thinking capability. Definitely he can become a researcher. Yes? Clear?
Yes,
If
sir.
you want to look innovatively, today you have a phone in your hand. Maybe sometimes your phone may go on hang. Probably in that case, you are thinking that if I pay little more, I can get a good phone, right? Which will not going to hang or which will work for me better way. Yes or no? Or sometimes there is a possibility, again, you are finding, you are trying to uninstall some of the application which is going to hang my phone. Right? This is all creativity or the thinking capability. If you are able to do thinking, if you are thinking is good, and if you are willing to solve some other's problem, obviously you will become a professional and you will become a researcher. Researcher is nothing but a person who will do the scientific method, he or she will involve the skills or knowledge, then the analytical things, and giving their time in involving to solve the problems. Creating problems not required, because this world is full of problems only. Yes or no? This world is full of problems. Sometimes internet issue, sometimes water problem, sometimes traffic problem, sometimes health problem. So even the advantage in the health technology and the health sciences, still the problem is exist. Like COVID-19, new viruses comes into picture. We are unable to defense with them, right? If you look into your home itself, there is a lot of problem. The first problem for you as a student, what is the problem? Data package is the problem.
Yes, sir.
It's a limited 1.5 GB. If you go with unlimited also, per day 1.5 GB of 250 rupees.
Yes.
1.5 GB probably you may going to sit for 2 to 3 classes. That will be the problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Then if you go with unlimited with high packages, money will be the problem.
Yes, sir. Sir.
So if you sit for longer period of time, health issues will be the problem. Files will come.
Yes, sir.
Getting, if we look outside, within our house itself, we can get lots of problems. Instead of looking outside. Now, as a researcher, your job is to identify a problem, and towards that, you are required to work on that problem. If you are able to solve a small problem, definitely it will returns high returns. One example, take the Ola or Uber or OLX or some Airbnb, right? What they have created? Take the Ola example. Probably you are using taxi services, right? What they have created? Just they have created a software. What for? To connect the people with cab drivers. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, Airbnb. It's a hotel. Right? If you look surrounding you, many people are very success by solving a small problem of the people. One more a good example is Bandhead is there, right? Bandhead. Bandhead. How that company came into existence in the market? The owner of that company, one day his wife while cutting the vegetables, she cut the finger by mistake, accidentally. Usually, our way of practice when we do some small injuries on the body, usually we are putting the coffee powder or the turmeric powder onto that injuries, right? To heal that one. Or we can apply the usually the coconut oil to recover. So that day he thought that why should I take up this as a problem? And if I am able to solve this by applying some band-aid, because injury it won't recover in a single day. It requires around its own time, depending on the injury depthness, right? It may go up within 3 days or 15 days is required to recover itself. Now, so he started thinking and he started, what is the way of providing a solution to that? He started building a bandage kind of thing. He started the cotton pieces and he started binding. Finally, he came to know that with sticky kind of the wrapper along with the cotton, with that cotton which will have a medicinal ingredients, as a he is able to give the band-aid. Getting or not? So today it's $1 billion company, band-aid. So just a small idea that came in his mind, in his home. In the same way today, your father, your mother, your sisters, your brotherhoods, neighbors, your villagers, your city people, they are facing lot of issues, lot of problem. Identify a small problem and start trying to solve it. Whether that band-aid person was a success in a one day?
No, sir.
No. He did a research. Then first he started,
No, sir.
wound is there. He want to recover or relieve that wound. Then he made a problem statement that if anybody accidentally they injures because of some in-house or out-house the activities, so I need to provide a band-aid. It's a quick solution to relieve from the pain as well as to relieve from the injuries. That was the problem. Then he started, which are the different methods are there, different approaches. Somebody has done already previous to him. Somebody has tried. If they continually doing their effort, probably they would have success in this market. But the people most of the time they are identifying the problem, they will not work further. They are leaving the problem. One day motivation. If you take up the problem today, that should be a consistent and continuous effort. But most of us, we identifying the problem and we are thinking that this is not my job to solve the problem. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So somewhere traffic will be there. So what we are thinking? Shut today, heavy traffic, that we are blaming the policemen, the municipal corporation, everyone. But we are not trying to solve the problem of theirs. So we should be involved in such kind of solving the problems as a student or the researcher. Getting? The outcome is already we are enjoying the several million of researchers and scientists. Scientists, they have given a solution to us today. Mr. Bhargav, so he is using the headphone. That is also a outcome of the research. Yes. Headphone. Previously, only two small buds kind of things. Earphones were there. Now headphones, improved versions, Bluetooth versions, without connecting wires. You can carry your headphones. Just yes or no. All these are the outcome of the research. Clear? So now take a pen and paper, write down. You can even not only the local level problem, you just identify a problem which you are going to address in this semester. In this current semester, which I am not expecting you to give the solution in the current semester itself, because it will take its own time depending on the complexity of the problem. Okay. In this course, what you are going to learn is you are identifying the problem and how you are improving the skills, and how you are going to collect the data which is relevant to your problem, what you are going to address, and what is the scientific methods, tools and technology helpful to you, and agencies which will fund for you to carry out your research further, and finally it is end up with your project and innovation and intellectual property rights. So this course is enable you to learn from formation of the problem to till the methods which you are going to choose the appropriate methods, and it will end up with the project work. Right, in these 2 years you are inculcating the research methods, methodologies, techniques, tools which it is going to be used to solve the real-time problems. Might be you done some of the projects in your BCA. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you name a project? Any one of you name the project?
E-commerce.
Pranav?
E-commerce.
E-commerce. Yes. That e-commerce addresses for what?
Sales of goods and other products.
Sales of goods and products for what? To whom?
Customers. Clothing ಈ ತರ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ ತರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
cloth merchants.
Yeah.
So you targeted your client is cloth merchants, cloth shoppers, right?
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಇಂದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಗೆ ಈ ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಆ ತರ.
Yes, that is cloth manufacturing to the direct clients.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. See, manufacturing unit to the customer, business to customer directly.
Yeah.
B2C. Fine. Now so from that project, how much the revenue you generated?
Sir, you are asking me?
Yes, that's fine.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಗಿನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ವೆಬ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್.
So web application for the experimental or experience for learning the web technology, right?
Yes, sir.
So after that, did you able to create a value for it?
ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ you told that it is B2C, business to customer. So whether that project will be used by anybody of such kind of businesses?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರೇನೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸರ್ವರ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ನಂದೇನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಬೇಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Fine, I agree.
Yeah.
Will you able to create a revenue from that project? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಮಿನಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತರನೇ. ಈ ಯಾವ್ದು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಮನಿ.
So your project is on self.
ಯಾ
It won't created any value for your effort which you made either 3 months or 6 months depending on your interest and effort.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
You spent almost 6 months or 3 months on the projects.
ಯಾ ಹಾಫ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಎಸ್.
You will be unable to create the revenue for it.
ಯಾ.
So maybe it may be a part of requirement of BCA. You done that work
ಯಾ.
to complete your degree,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
right? So in that case, whatever you spent the time, 3 months or 4 months on the project, yes, you acquired some skills, web technology skills you acquired, but this is half the way of your project. The objective or aim you set when before beginning of the project is you want to solve the problem of the manufacturers to sales, right?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್.
Your objective was you want to directly buy the items, goods from the manufacturer and delivers to the needed people through your portal.
ಎಸ್.
But up to this, some significant work done by you. Now, if you want to continue with the same project, now also you can take up as the same problem and continue by, instead of sitting alone, you can frame a group of persons or the people who are the like-minded like you, right? They may not have the skill of development, they may have the deployment skills. By creating your own group and by deploying your project, you are going to earn from that one. That is called as value creation. Got my point? Just Darshan is opened up his project, what he has done. It is applicable to all those who are listening to me. Rupak, can you tell which project you've done?
I did data analysis, sir. We're using Twitter.
Data analysis using Twitter, social engineering.
Twitter's API.
Twitter's
API,
API.
sir.
So it is inculcated with research orientation, right?
No, sir, no. Sir, I don't think so. It's research. It was just for my learning purpose and to. It was kind of requirement of my degree.
Will you able to fetch a rupee of revenue from it?
No, sir. I don't think so.
No, right? So where we are failing as a researcher, we are failing to monetize our efforts.
Yes, sir.
Ultimately, tomorrow you are going to become software engineer. Will you able to work for the company without the salary?
No, sir. I won't be able.
Not only Rupak, others, please answer. Are you ready to work for a company without salary?
No, sir.
You want salary, right? Minimum salary. 50,000 you want. If whatever you do, the contribution, your expectation will be outcome is the monetary remuneration or the benefits from the company, right?
Yes, sir.
See, you done some amount of work in the BCA in terms of project. It may be a part of requirement of BCA. So half the way you done it. Remaining half the way you are continuing in MCA. See, not for the sake of doing for doing. Creating value. You need to work on creating value for your time and effort which you are putting today. If you are putting today, probably you might thought while doing the project in BCA, if you are able to create a small value of 10,000 and 20,000, it may reduces the burden of your parent. Did you think that? Or you can take the new mobiles from that, whatever you are earning, investment for your future investments. So always professionally, because I'm talking about money here because you are a professional, not an ordinary student. What professional expecting? If you go with automobile showroom or the repair showroom, just replacing one small screw or the nut, you will charge, yes or no? If you go with mobile repair shop, just replacement of port, he will charge or no? Not. He will charge because he is professional. You be professional. Okay, if you spend 1 hour of time, what I am going to get from that? Not immediately, after at least the down the line 2 years. Most of the time, immediately we will not expect the returns. It requires its own time to get back the returns. Our effort is required today. Your future decides by today's effort. Yes or no? Today you are here as MCA graduate is nothing but today's future is what? Last 3 years effort. Last 10 years effort in the education. Yes or no? Shadab, Akrut.
Yes, sir.
Today here, because
Yes,
of
sir.
past 10 years effort, not just BCA, not just PUC, not just 10th, from 1th to your last final degree BCE. Today you are here. Tomorrow, if you are expecting something of your dream companies, software engineers, Infosys, Wipro, TCS, right? Today what you are deciding, it determines your dream company. So dream it, know it, work with continuous and commitment. By solving a small problem, that problem is going to become a prototype of it. You can apply the funding agency to get the funds, and you can solve the problem of the end users. From that, you are going to get the jobs in companies. The companies will give the high purse compared to the other set of students. And each one of you here are the competitors. Getting?
Yes,
Rupak and Akrut. If you get a job from the company, will you give it to the Akrut?
No, sir, you can't.
No, sir. No, sir.
You may help him to get it through your
Yes, sir.
through the company, but will you give up your job to him?
Sir, I don't think
No,
so.
right? No. First, you require to earn, then then you will call the Akrut next second preference.
Yes, sir.
Or Akrut, if
Right, sir,
he
right.
gets the job, then he will call the Rupak second preference. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So both. So I'm just not creating a competition among yourself. I will try to create the good environment, supportive mutual environment. I am going to create here. Now I request each one of you write a statement, problem statement, which you are going to address. You can take a reference of some domains like financial domain. So financial domains comes the bank sectors, cooperative society sectors, money lenders, borrowers, etc. and so on. For example, the bank sectors SBI and various national and state banks. Cooperative societies, many are there. Like Manappuram Gold, those are lenders, money lenders. Exchange of gold with money. If you want to solve the problem solving of such kind of, that will comes under the financial domain. Comes to the insurance domain. Who are all the insurers? LIC comes into picture. Max Life, ICICI Prudential, right? Bharti AXA, Reliance, etc. Many are there in the insurance industry. Come with manufacturing sector. Tata, Hyundai, Maruti, Jindal, right? Many are comes in the manufacturing sector. Come with the educational, IITs, universities, Bijus. Many are there. Internashala, right? Our BMS itself, we are educational business we are running. Yes or no? You can identify a problem. So then come to the agriculture sector. Wants to solve the problem through IoT, robotics, data science. Come with the one more domain. You can identify a domain. You can identify a domain problem which is relevant to the domain and target to the company. Target to the company, your dream company. Suppose Darshan Kumar. Which one is your dream company? After 2 years, will you going to join the kitchen to help out your mother, or
If she needs
whether you
help,
are targeting to some company to join?
I can do both, right? Yeah, if she needs help, I can do it, and I can join a company too. Yeah.
Which company you targeted?
Whichever I think best at the time. Yeah, like Wipro.
Wipro. So
Yeah.
Wipro is working on which domain?
I don't know.
Yeah, your dream. So that question is, if you are targeting a dream company, you don't know what they are going to do in this market, then how you are going to join that community? Varsha, which one is your dream company? After MCA, which company you would like to join? Sugandhini, Anusha. Shadab, Rupak, Kaushik, which company you would like to join? Dream company, your dream company. Kaushik,
IBM.
Microsoft.
IBM.
Kaushik, what they are doing in IBM? Which domain they are targeted?
Sir, I think IT, IT sectors, I think, sir. IBM.
IT sector, I agree, but come to the narrow down your thought. You search, you have mobile phone in your hand, right? You search
Yes,
IBM providing which services, to whom they are providing solutions. Darshan, you check for Wipro. Rupak, which is your dream company?
Yes, sir. Microsoft, sir.
Microsoft, what they are providing? What is the
technology
domain?
like software technologies.
So all the companies which you just now said, Wipro, IBM, Microsoft, they are providing software services, IT services. But what they are targeting, which domain they are targeted? Health sector, healthcare sector, financial sector, insurance sector. Which sector they are working on? Security, data sciences, social engineering. Where they are working? Sri Vishnu, which is your dream company?
Sir, I don't know, sir. But what will be the best? I will go there.
So you don't have a choice. So depending on the situation, you want to move.
Yes, sir.
Then you will not become a researcher. You don't want to take the problem of selecting the dream company. Whatever you get the placement through the placement hub or the offline, you want to go and do the job, right?
Sir,
After some years of experience, I want to make my own business.
Entrepreneur, very good. You want to provide the jobs
Yes.
to the employees. Very
Yes, sir. I don't want
So,
to be
may
working under
I
someone.
know your area of interest, which you are going to provide the job?
Sir, currently I like web technologies
Web technology.
and some Android game. Yes, sir.
Yes, mobile
Android app
and web
development.
technology, mobile related.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
sir.
you are trying to solve the problems through mobile technology.
Yes, sir.
Yes, there is lot of problems exist in this world. Which one you are targeting? Either financial issues or gaming in entertainment industry like gamings, or where you want to look into?
So, security.
Security related
Yes,
stuff.
sir.
So
Yes,
then
sir.
you can target to the IBM. Then you
Yes, sir.
can target to the Cisco. Then
Yes,
you
sir.
can target to the Siemens.
Okay.
Okay, you can
Yes, sir.
choose for some experience. To get some experience, you can target such kind of the companies.
Okay, sir.
Kaushik, IBM provides the data science and the security services. Okay, Wipro. Did you seen the Wipro bulbs? Darshan?
Yes, sir.
Wipro bulbs?
No.
No, not like Philips.
Yeah, I have heard of
Bulbs are there,
Philips. Yes.
right? So they are into
Yeah.
the electrical products.
Which one?
Wipro.
Philips or Wipro? I
So
think
based,
they're
based on the dream company, know about the company, target that company, and refine your
Yeah.
statement of the problem, and start working to achieve, to reach, and to give the entry to that companies. When should happens that one? It should happen from now, not tomorrow or that last day of your exit of this portal. That should happen today. You take a pen and paper, type each one of you in the chat window which problem you want to address. Some of you may waste management addressing because the city is facing a lot of garbage problem. You can go with waste management. The city is facing with the traffic related issues. You can address that one. So you can address through the technologies like IoT, robotics, whichever the technology, if you would like to adapt for it, you can apply. So type each one of you, Shahab Ansari, you type the problem statement in the chat window. I want to solve the garbage. I want to solve traffic issues. I want to solve accidental issues in the NH highways. I want to solve something. You write the statement. Rupak, all of you, it's not only Ansari, all of you type the statements in the chat window. Anusha, Kaushik, Varshad, Rupak. So based on your statement, you may target some of the dream company, which I am going to tell. Good. Very good. 2 I received. So please, whatever you are typing here in the chat window, you please take a note of it, because based on that, these classes will move on further. Getting? Rupak given
Yes, sir.
Indian sites more secure and more interactive.
Yes, sir.
Kaushik.
So like the comments.
Yes. In detail, we will go it further later. Okay, I'll address the issues. Then Kaushik, solve the financial issues in the agriculture fields. Super, very good. Yes, sir, I already did it, sir. Akrut, what's your this one? What about network issues? Oh, you want to address the network issues? Yes, you can. That will be your problem statement. Or you can change now. Sri Vishnu, I want to solve the problem which is occurring nowadays on internet security, privacy, and so on. Yes, you can address this. Very good. Anaga, to solve problems or errors occur during online transactions. Fine. Good. So again, you are working on data. Anaga. Then Anusha. Darshan, increase in speed of data transfer, network related. Good. Fine. Next, Varsha. Anybody wants to look what your parent is facing the problem, want to solve through technically? So as I said, by looking in your house itself, there is a lot of problems. Which problem you want to address? Data security. Anusha. Super. So which data you are going to protect? Health data, financial data, manufacturing data, IPRs, intellectual properties, trademarks, copyrights. Network issues, Akrut. Next, Varsha. Good. So note down these statements. Don't again. Today his motivation is your problem. This problem you want to address. Tomorrow again don't change the problem. Okay, So till to get that solution, consistent and continuous effort is required. Today, so human mind is like that. It is not constant always. Always we are thinking new problem, we are leaving that there itself. We will not touch upon the solution part most of the time. So that's why today itself, target your company, which company you want to work on. Based on their activities, you start preparing yourself to join that company from today by identifying a problem. When you start solving this problem, you are going to relate this problem with respect to their services which they are providing for the clients. From that, you are getting the jobs. Otherwise, what happens? You are learning something, you are doing something, the company is expecting something, means there is no correlation between these three. In that case, there is a chances of not getting jobs. Getting? So always correlate the company, targeted company, which area they are working on, what problems they are addressing, which are the client side, what is the revenue of the company. So if you join to that company, will you be in a safe for longer years? All these things, study that. Based on that, you try to address some of the problem. It may be a part of a company problem or the client problem or the societal problem. Even company also works for societal issues. You are also going to work for societal issues. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Varsha given, yes, Kaushik, refined is a problem. Kaushik is refined is problem. Military based data security. Yes, previously he was given the security related, but now he refined his problem is defense security, national security. He wants to work on national security. Very good. Fine. So I will give the some inputs based on your interest, which company, which are the sponsors to provide the funds to you. So if you today, if you ask your parent, give me 50,000 to carry out your research work, will they give? No response. Did you
No, sir.
understood my question?
Yes, sir.
Will they give? Will they support?
No, sir. Not yet.
Most
sir.
of the time,
They think so.
no. At one shot. Then you started explaining. So my dream company is this. I want to address this problem. I want to solve this problem. You are explaining little more details about your project and the intention and the contribution towards the societal cause. Again, you are asking back to the parents. Still, they will agree.
Yes, sir.
Some parent may agree, some are not. Depends on your previous year performances. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whether they agree or not depends on your previous year performances. If they have a confidence on you, definitely my son or daughter is going to solve this problem and will get a job in a dream company, will get returns back. It depends on your previous performance. Yes, in the same way, if you want to get a sponsors from sponsoring agencies, they will expect you at least prototype of the conceptual idea. Today, whatever you given the statement here, it is a concept. It is there in your mind. That's it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is concept. When it comes
Yes,
to
sir.
reality, at least one model is required. They're not expecting in real time. They're expecting at least as a student, you are able to create the model of it. You are able to create the not physical model, it might be a model, software model also. Data security, how you can provide the physical model, not possible. You need to code it, you need to create your own algorithm. It might support somewhere, some infrastructure to protect. Yes or no? When you are
Yes, sir. We are.
create a model, definitely not only your parent, your institution where you are studying, they will come forward. The professor who is supporting for you, they will come forward to fund your project, because in future they will get the returns from that project. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is called as proof of concept. POC. Once if you are ready with proof of concept, then funding agency will search the talented student who wants to address the societal issues. Then they will start funding in terms of not lakhs or the thousands, in terms of crores. They are ready to invest on your project. Once they started investing on your project, your life is going to be settled. What is your ultimate goal as a professional, as an MCA student? Job is the ultimate goal, and some of you might go as entrepreneurs, some of you may go as a family person, a part of the family. Ultimately, you are going to achieve a great success in your life. Yes?
Sir.
Do you agree with me or not?
Yes,
It is
sir.
again left to your decision. Okay, and Divya Ram, she has given to educate poor people without any cost and to make them aware of the current situations, issues, and technologies. It is a lengthier. There are 2 to 3 problems is involved in this, Divya Ram. I'm not discouraging you, right? You said. Even today nowadays most of the online courses are there to address this issue and refine your problem again. Okay, so I appreciate you related to the education. If you want to provide it for the poor and remote villages, probably you can reform this statement. Very good. Then Varsha, to solve problem on health related issues. See, health related issues, which health? Eye health, stomach health, body health, entire body health, what? Refine it. Health issues, right? Which health issue? Either you want to address for cancer patients, or you want to address for lung diseases, or you want to address for what? You can type. If you are unable to speak, you can type in the chat window. If you are unable to speak. So refine your suggestion. It's my suggestion. Refine your statement. Okay. Then Darshan, they are already more secure than most of the servers. Yeah, commenting is there. Yes, you always welcome the comments from your peers, your friends, and senior researchers and scientists. Obviously, if he comments or she comments, don't what is that? That word is not coming. So don't reject them, accept them. They are the main source of you to improve your solution towards that problem. Okay, clear? I hope I made you understand. So who is the researcher? Researcher are we only, not somebody who is beside you or before you. right? We are all the researchers. With this, I conclude this discussion, second hour discussion of the research methodology class. If any questions are there, openly you can discuss with me now or later also. So try to come down to the college for offline classes. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Any questions? Am I able to make sense in the classroom?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. What about others?
Yes, sir. By next week. Sir.
Are you getting the? Are you getting bored or getting interest?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Yes, sir. It's fine.
Okay. Thank you. So I will see you in the next class tomorrow.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.